Right now, inside your body, millions of cells are filling up with damaged parts, toxins, and aging debris. Every hour, every day. Most people have no idea this is happening, but here's what changes everything. Your body already knows how to fix this. It has a built-in cleaning system that can break down old, damaged pieces and build newer, healthier cells in their place. This process is called autophagy. Today, I'm sharing 6 everyday foods that science shows can activate this powerful healing mechanism, based on the research of Dr. Mindy Pelz, one of the world's leading experts on fasting and metabolic health. Before we go further, I want to welcome everyone here. If you're serious about taking control of your health naturally, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a community that believes in evidence-based health, not trends. Drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. Dr. Mindy Pelz is a functional health specialist, best-selling author, and a pioneer in the fasting movement. She doesn't sell quick fixes. Her message is simple but powerful. Nobody cures you, you cure yourself. Your body is a self-healing machine, but modern life, constant eating, processed foods, chronic stress, has turned off many of its natural healing switches. Dr. Pelz has spent years helping people understand how to turn those switches back on. Autophagy comes from Greek, auto meaning self, and phage meaning eating. Your cells eat themselves. That sounds alarming, but it's actually brilliant. Think of yourselves like a kitchen. Every day, dishes pile up, food scraps collect, and tools break down. If you never clean up, your kitchen becomes unusable. Your cells face the same problem. When you eat constantly, your cells are always receiving nutrients. They're too busy processing the next meal to clean up yesterday's mess. But when you stop eating for a certain period, something shifts. Your cells realize no food is coming. They start cleaning house. First, they push out viruses and bacteria, like taking out biological trash. Second, they identify damaged proteins and broken down parts. Third, they find dangerous cells, cells going rogue, cells that might turn into cancer, cells aging you rapidly. In a fasted state, your body evaluates these weak cells and says, "You're a liability. We need to remove you." And it does. This isn't a trendy health fad. This is your body's ancient defense system against aging and disease. But if you're eating all day, autophagy never activates. Research shows autophagy begins around 24 to 48 hours of fasting. One study in autophagy found that in mice deprived of food for 24 to 48 hours, autophagy was dramatically upregulated in brain neurons, liver, and muscle. But you don't need to fast for days. Studies show even 17 to 19 hours daily can increase autophagy markers when practiced consistently. A study in Scientific Reports found 1 month of daily 17 to 19-hour fasting increased autophagy-related gene expression. The question becomes, how can you support this when you're not fasting? That's where food comes in. Food number 1, avocado. And Dr. Pelz loves breaking her fast with it. Why fat first? Because fat shuts off ghrelin, your hunger hormone. When you start with fat instead of carbohydrates, you signal, I'm satisfied. I don't need to overeat. Here's a simple strategy. Eat fat first, then wait 1 hour before eating anything else. What happens? Within that hour, your urge to binge disappears. That sudden desire to make up for lost time while fasting? Gone. But Dr. Pelz takes this further. She combines avocado with probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. Think about it. You're breaking your fast with healthy fats while feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria directly influence weight management, immune function, and mood. Your gut is like a garden. Feed the right bacteria first before refined carbs or sugars, and those good bacteria thrive. When they thrive, you thrive. If you struggle with hunger after breaking a fast, try this. Half an avocado topped with a spoonful of sauerkraut or kimchi. Simple, filling, and metabolically smart. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which research shows improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. A study in Nutrition Journal found regular avocado consumption was associated with better diet quality and reduced metabolic syndrome risk. When you break your fast with avocado, you're not just controlling hunger, you're supporting long-term metabolic health. Next, food number 2, dark chocolate. The second food might surprise you. Dark chocolate, but not just any chocolate. Pure, high-quality cacao. Here's the science. A 2009 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry tested cacao phenolic extract on liver cells. Researchers found cacao induced autophagy in these cells while protecting them from drug-induced toxicity. Think about that. Your liver, your body's primary detox organ, gets a boost in its natural cleaning process from eating the right kind of chocolate. But here's the key. The darker, the better. When buying chocolate, look for products where the first ingredient is cacao or cacao butter. You want at least 70% cacao content, ideally 85% or higher. Why? Because autophagy-stimulating compounds are in the cacao itself, not the sugar added to make it candy. The more cacao, the more polyphenols. The less sugar, the better the effect. You're not eating this as dessert, you're eating medicine that tastes good. Important note, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and processed chocolate bars won't provide these benefits. You need dark, minimally processed cacao to get the beneficial polyphenols. Cacao is also rich in flavonols, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant properties. Research in antioxidants and redox signaling showed cocoa flavonols can improve vascular function, reduce inflammation, and may have neuroprotective effects. If you love chocolate but feel guilty, here's your permission. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, eat it mindfully in moderation, and know you're supporting cellular health while enjoying something delicious. Next, food number 3, coffee. The third drink is coffee, and if you're a coffee lover, you'll love this. A 2014 study in Cell Cycle found something remarkable. Just 1 to 4 hours after drinking coffee, autophagy increased in the liver, muscle tissue, and heart in mice. Your heart, your liver, your muscles, all getting a cellular deep clean from your morning coffee. Both regular and decaffeinated coffee showed this effect, which means it's not just caffeine, it's the polyphenols and bioactive compounds in coffee that activate autophagy. But not all coffee is created equal. Dr. Pelz emphasizes 2 things. First, your coffee must be organic. Coffee is one of the most heavily sprayed crops. Pesticides create more toxins in your cells, defeating the purpose of stimulating autophagy. Second, make sure your coffee is mold-free. Coffee can be contaminated with mycotoxins, toxic compounds from mold. If you're trying to clean your cells but drinking moldy coffee, you're working against yourself. Now, the question everyone asks, can you drink coffee during fasting? Yes, but only if it's black. Black coffee won't break your fast, your insulin stays low, autophagy continues, and you get added autophagy-stimulating effects. Want to enhance it? Add MCT oil. MCT rapidly converts to ketones, helping push your body deeper into fat-burning mode. Black coffee plus MCT oil is powerful during fasting. But the moment you add cream, milk, or sugar, you need to test your blood sugar. For some people, cream is fine. For others, it spikes insulin and breaks the fast. The rule, if it's black, you're good. If it's not, test yourself. Coffee also provides benefits beyond autophagy. Studies show regular consumption is associated with reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, liver disease, neurodegenerative conditions, and certain cancers. Just remember, quality matters. Next, food number 4 and 5, green tea and olive oil. The fourth food is green tea, one of the most studied health beverages on the planet. A 2019 study in Nutrients explored green tea's neuroprotective effects. Researchers found green tea stimulates autophagy in virtually any cell it's exposed to. That's huge! Unlike some compounds that only work in specific organs, green tea is a universal autophagy activator. Your brain, liver, muscles, and skin all benefit. Green tea contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a powerful polyphenol with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. EGCG has been shown to support brain health, improve fat metabolism, and may reduce cancer risk in some studies. If coffee gives you jitters or you want less caffeine, green tea is your perfect alternative. You get mild energy plus L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm, focused attention. The fifth food is olive oil, a kitchen staple with remarkable cellular benefits. Research shows olive oil compounds directly affect beta-amyloid proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. Other studies examined olive oil's potential protective effects against certain cancers, including metastatic osteosarcoma. But to get benefits, handle olive oil correctly. First, make sure it's organic and never rancid. If it smells off or bitter, discard it. Rancid oil creates inflammation, not autophagy. Second, don't cook with high heat. If oil starts smoking in a pan, you've turned it into inflammatory fat. Use olive oil raw, drizzled over salads, vegetables, or taken straight. Dr. Pelz suggests 1 tablespoon of olive oil daily if you're serious about supporting autophagy. You can even consume it during fasting because fat doesn't spike insulin like carbohydrates. Olive oil is liquid gold for your brain and cells. Treat it accordingly. Next, food 6, curcumin. The sixth and final food is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is one of the most researched natural compounds. Studies show it increases autophagy in pancreatic cells, liver cells, and more. A 2019 study found curcumin inhibited tick-borne disease proliferation by stimulating apoptosis, death of bad cells, and autophagy, cleaning of good cells. So turmeric doesn't just help your body clean up, it helps destroy dangerous cells before they become problems. Here's how to use it. Sprinkle organic turmeric powder on food. Buy fresh turmeric root, juice it, and add to smoothies. Chop it and add to stir-fries. But here's the critical tip. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. Why? Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's 2,000%. A landmark study in Planta Medica showed just 20 milligrams of piperine combined with 2 grams of curcumin dramatically increased curcumin bioavailability in humans. Without black pepper, most curcumin passes through your body unabsorbed. If you're taking turmeric for health, don't forget pepper. Just a pinch is enough. Turmeric also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research shows it can help with arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and may support brain health by reducing neuroinflammation. Remember, curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs better when consumed with healthy fats, like olive oil, avocado, or coconut oil. Traditional Indian cooking combines turmeric with fats and black pepper. Ancient wisdom backed by modern science. Here's what we know. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but that ability depends on creating the right conditions. Autophagy is your body's natural defense against aging, disease, inflammation, and cellular damage. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated protocols. You need 2 things. First, give your body a break from constant eating. Start with 13 hours of overnight fasting. Research shows even this simple change has measurable benefits. Second, when you eat, prioritize foods that support autophagy. Avocado, dark cacao, coffee, green tea, olive oil, and turmeric. This isn't about perfection. It's about building sustainable habits that allow your body to heal, repair, and regenerate. Dr. Mindy Pelz puts it best. Nobody cures you, you cure yourself. Your body already has everything it needs. You just need to stop getting in its way. If you're over 40, if you've been struggling with stubborn weight, inflammation, brain fog, or low energy, pay attention. You don't need another restrictive diet. You need to understand how your body works. Now, here's what I need from you. If this helped you understand autophagy and how to support your body naturally, hit that like button and drop a comment with healing so I know this resonated. If you care about your health or someone you love's health, share this video. Sometimes the people closest to us need to hear this most. Subscribe if you want evidence-based health content backed by real science. No hype, no gimmicks, just information that can change your life. Thank you for being here. Take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.